Let me show you all display settings available on OPPO Find X9 Pro. So what you can do is you can open settings, and then here we have the display and brightness settings. We can choose the light or dark mode. Of course, we can also create a schedule so that the dark mode can be enabled and disabled at a given time. And we also have dark mode settings where we can, for example, adjust the style of the dark mode over here. Then we have the screen brightness. Of course, we can adjust the brightness of the screen by moving on the slider, and we also have automatic screen brightness, which adjusts the brightness of the screen to the environmental light. Then we have the screen color mode. We have three options: standard, natural, and vivid, so you can choose whichever colors you like the most. And we also have the screen color temperature, where we can move around on this color wheel in order to apply a color temperature. You can also choose warm, cold, or go back to the default one to reset. Eye care is just an eye protection mode. Over here we have actually two options: eye comfort and sleep, which automatically adjusts the screen to a warm yellow hue based on environmental changes. And we also have a custom eye protection where we can manually apply or adjust the intensity of this filter. We also have, of course, schedule, and can be reminded about this feature. And also there's adaptive tone, which automatically adjusts the screen color temperature based on ambient lighting conditions. Then we have font settings. We can change the font style, font size, and in case of fonts, some fonts, we also have font weight, which adjusts the thickness of the font. Display size, of course, is quite simple. We just change the size of elements on our screen, so we can make everything bigger or smaller if you want to. Then we have O1 Ultra Vision Engine tools like the image sharpener and then video color boost. Of course, these tools increase battery consumption, so you have to be aware of that. Automatic screen rotation, quite simple. The auto screen off option, which of course decides after what time of inactivity the screen should be automatically disabled. Screen attention allows you to keep the screen on even if you exceed the time over here if you are looking at it. Screen resolution, where we can increase the screen resolution to a higher one, but of course it provides higher resolution and sharper image, but of course increases the battery consumption as a result. And then we also have the screen refresh rate option, where we can choose between 60 and 120 Hz. And full screen for apps, which allows you to use the camera cutout, for example, or a cutout at the bottom of the screen. And that is pretty much it. Of course, we have more visual changes and options available over here in home screen, lock screen, and style, where we can change the wallpaper, we can use AOD, we can adjust icons. We also have system colors, fingerprint animations, edge lighting, and texture blur settings, where we have visual and animation blur. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.